At GM Door Window, we're a family-owned business serving South Florida since 1968, specializing in high-quality impact windows and doors with expert in-house installations. Replacing old windows can transform your home's look, boosting curb appeal and providing storm protection. With impact windows, you'll be ready for any weather and enjoy a more energy-efficient home, as these windows help regulate indoor temperatures, saving you money on energy costs over time. Impact windows also bring peace of mind and added security and noise reduction, and can even lower your insurance premiums. Plus, they are a great selling point, helping your home sell faster and at a premium when the time comes. And if you have unique window shapes, we'll create custom solutions just for you. Call us for a free estimate and let us help you improve the value and beauty of your home.